If you offer someone some coffee and they say,
I'm good, thanks.
is that a yes or a no? Well, in today's lesson, we're going to learn what I'm good means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, hi, I'm Bettina and I'm an English teacher from America.
The phrase I'm good is an informal way to say no thank you.
And you can use it when someone offers you some food or a drink or even help. So, for example, imagine someone orders a pizza and you've already eaten dinner. They say, I ordered pizza, do you want a slice? You could say, I'm good, thanks. You can also use this phrase to mean that you are good or satisfied. So for example, imagine it's the weekend and you feel like just relaxing at home. Someone says, I'm going to go out for dinner. Do you want to come? You can say, I'm good, thanks. It lets the other person know that you're happy where you are. Now, while this phrase can be used to answer a question, it can also be used to ask a question.
What?
Stick with me here. Imagine you're having friends over for dinner. If you want to ask someone if they want more water, you can say, do you want more water or are you good? You're basically asking, are you okay? Are you full? Or do you want more water? In that case, most people would respond with, no, I'm good. Or, yeah, that would be great, thanks. Another example would be offering help. For example, imagine you see someone lifting a heavy box. You could walk over to them and ask, do you need some help or are you good? Now, you don't have to add, are you good? You could just simply ask, do you need help? And that would be fine too. So that's it for today's lesson. If you want to practice using this idiom, write your sentence in the comments below and I'll give you some feedback. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.